Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Lead Code Challenge Week 5 problem, day 30. First missing positive. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Let's see what it says. Given an unsorted integer array, find the smallest missing positive integer. Okay. Let's see what the example says. Example number 1. We have an input array here which have only integers and we have to find out the smallest missing positive integer. So we can see we have 1, 2 and 0. So the next first smallest integer that we can output here is 3. So we return 3. Now let's have a look at the second example. Here we have an input array 3, 4, minus 1 and 1. So if we sort it, we'll observe that it sets in the order minus 1, 1, 3, 4. So because 2 is missing here and it's the smallest positive integer that we can return, so we'll output 2 here. Now let's look at the last example, example number 3. Input array is 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So the positive number series begin from 1. And because it's not in the list, so we can simply output 1 here. I hope it's clear to you. It should become more clearer to you once we code. Let's see, we have a follow up here. Your algorithm should run in O of n time and use constant extra space. Okay, we have couple of hints here. Let's have a look at each of them. Let's see what hint number 1 has to say. Think about how would you solve the problem in non-constant space. Can you apply that logic to the existing space? Okay, show hint 2. Okay, we don't care about duplicate or non-positive integers. Let's see what the hint 3 reads. Remember that O2 of n equals to O of n. Alright, let's hide these again. Let me zoom in a bit for you. Okay. So let's quickly dive into the coding section here. The very first thing which I am going to do is we will receive an input integer array called as nums. So if nums is present, I'll set result variable as the maximum of nums. Otherwise, if the nums does not exist, in that case, the smallest positive integer possible can be 1. So I'll simply output 1 in that case. So if nums, in that case, I'm setting result as maximum of nums here. Otherwise, let's return 1 here. Next, if result is less than 0, in that case, I can set result as 1. Why? Because we received nums as an input array here. If it consists of negative integers only, then result will be less than 0. In that case, we can set result as 1 here. Now, I'll run a for loop till result plus 2. Here, I'll check if I is not in nums, then I'll return I. That's it. We are good to go. Now let me try running the code here. Okay. Now let's try submitting it. And here we go. It's accepted. With this, we have come to an end of September Lead Code Challenge. I congratulate you on being consistent. I would recommend you to check out my other YouTube tutorial videos on how to web scrape coronavirus data into MS Excel, how to make your own Google Chrome extension, and how to create CAPTCHA with Python. You should join my Telegram channel and Discord server for regular updates. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.